This is the Champion RK-18C. This is the repair kit for Champion compact actuators that are 3/4 and 1 inch and are also from 2017 to present. Now in this kit, it comes with all the parts you see here. So your diaphragm gasket, 2 packing gaskets, 3 total red fiber gaskets, 2 pretty relatively similar size, and then 1 smaller. It also comes with a brass hex nut, 2 steel washers, 3 total rubber O-rings. Got a large, medium, and small one. And we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each of the parts, starting with this diaphragm gasket. Now taking a closer look at it, you can see here at the top, it's completely smooth, and then it's got that hole through the center. Whereas if we flip it to the bottom side, it's kind of got this little ridge here that helps it securely fasten. So starting with an outer diameter, we'll measure straight across the top. It's going to be right at about 2 1/8 inches. And the inner diameter of that hole through the center, it's going to be right at 1/4 of an inch. Then flipping to the bottom side, we can also get an inner diameter from the inside of this ring. So it's going to be about 1 7/8. And then next we'll do our smaller and outer diameter. We're going to be right at about 1 inch with an inner diameter of right at 1/4, or just over 1/4 actually, probably right at about 3/8. And then thickness, it's going to be right at about 1/4 of an inch. Then the larger rubber gasket, outer diameter, it's going to be right at about 1 1/8 with an inner right at about 3/8 of an inch. Next we'll do our largest red fiber gasket. We're going to be right at about 1 inch and just right at about 1 3/4 on the outer diameter. And then an inner diameter right at just below 1.5 inches. Then the medium, outer is going to be right at 1.5 inches, and inner is going to be right at about 1.25 inches. Now this is going to be a little hard to see, but I can get it up as close as I can. Hopefully the camera focus is pretty good on it. Outer diameter, see we're just over 1/2 inch, right at about 5/8, and then inner, going to be right at about 3/8. And the larger of the 2 steel washers, outer diameter going to be right at about 1.25 inches, with an inner diameter right at about 3/8 of an inch. Then the smaller steel washer, right at about 7/8 of an inch, with an inner diameter right at about 3/8. Then the larger of the 2, my apologies, we already did that larger one. The hex nut, outer diameter, with just over 1/2 inch, probably right at about just shy of 5/8. And then inner, going to be right at 1/4 of an inch. Then the largest of the 3 O-rings, outer diameter, right at about 5/8 of an inch, with an inner right at 1/2. Medium O-ring, this is a lot of dimensions. Outer diameter of that medium one, going to be right just shy of 1/2 inch, and an inner right at 1/4, and then the smallest outer is going to be 1/4 of an inch, with an inner right at about 2/8. And once again, this is the Champion RK-18C compact actuator repair kit for the models that are 3/4 and 1 inch and are newer than 2017.